How to make slow motion reels video on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or make slow motion reels video on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure that you update your Instagram application from Google Play Store or App Store. And after updating your application, let me just get inside my official Instagram account. So to create a slow-mo reel here, you just need to click on your story section. First of all, go to camera icon, and then here you have to select reels. Okay, so guys, after selecting reels, here what you need to do, here you can see speed option will be available here. As you can see here, this is the 1x speed. You can see, simply tap on it, and here you can see if you click on 3, then it will be slow down, and if you click on 0.3x, it will be fast. So let me just show you. It's going so fast, right? So it is a slow-mo video. Okay, so guys, I think you have understood. Let me just again explain once again. If you click on 0.3 0.5x, it will be slow. Okay, the reels will be slow. And if you click on 1x, it will be normal, 2x will be fast, and 3x will be more fast. So keep that in mind. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.